Hey everybody, it is an exciting day here at the Roop Troop House. We are getting ready for vacation, which is why I am sitting in the middle of piles of laundry. It has all been washed up and sorted, ready for us to pack. So I thought I would do a video that updated you on how things are going with this pregnancy and how large families pack for vacation. So our organizing tips for packing a large family is, first of all, pack each person's clothes for themselves. And let me show you what I mean. I take these space-saving bags. I don't even know if you can buy these anymore or not. These were given to me by somebody. They're Ziploc space saver bags. And some of them you hook up to the vacuum cleaner and it sucks all the air out. But this one you can actually like just sit on and mash the air out, and then it locks and holds it. So it turns into a great space saver. Let me show you one. So here's Henry's. His is all finished. You can see I labeled his name. This has all of his clothes in there. All of his outfits, his pajamas, his underwear. Everything is in here together. And Benji, Gideon, and Jack each will have one just like that goes into our large suitcase. Now, how do I get all of that to fit in there? I'm going to show you my secret. I roll their outfits. I match them up like this. This is what he's going to wear one day. And I fold it up like this. And then I roll it into this nice little clothing burrito, and I will do all of his like that, and even do their pajamas like that. They're out, and that's what you end up with. And it's really easy to fit all 4 boys into one suitcase when you do that. Now, because we are going to the beach this time, I will put all of their swim stuff in the front pocket of the suitcase, because if we're lucky and we wake up early enough and we don't have to stop too many times, we should get there in enough time tonight to be able to swim before bed. And if that happens, we want to be able to get to the swim stuff quickly without having to unpack the entire suitcase.
Is my favorite part, packing the bags. Yeah! So today we're going to be packing snacks for vacation, since the way down from here to Florida is about like an 8-hour drive, not including stops. So we're going to be packing snacks, and we got a lot of snacks.
Okay, so one of the ways that we try to reach our destination more timely than we used to is by packing snacks, because we've found that if we can drive the furthest possible point before stopping for the first time, we seem to do a lot better, because after we stop for that first time, it seems like every couple hours after that we have to stop. So, especially because we want to leave early, some of the kids will fall back asleep, some of the kids will be up for a little bit, they'll kind of snack a little bit, then they'll fall asleep, and others will wake up. So everybody gets a Ziploc bag with their name on it, and they get to pack the snacks that they would like in their Ziploc bag. And we also let everybody pick out 1 can of chips.
So this is my big snack on the road,
that
an entire can of Pringles. This is my barbecue.
And these will go in their backpacks. They will have a backpack at their seat that has a couple books, their action figures, cars, coloring books, all sorts of different things to kind of keep them entertained while they're in their seats, as well as their snacks. So they're going to get started and pack their bags.
popcorn, some a fizz bar, some crackers, goldfish, and I got some cookies on the top and fruit snacks.
Perfect.
So I feel like I'm pretty prepared.
Good job. Basket is prepared for all of the beach towels, which serves as a great dual purpose because we will take this right out onto the ocean. It's just a closed basket, so it washes out super good, and we don't have to worry about the sand. And we also have to pack this bag with all of the swimming necessities, floats for those who need them, snorkels and goggles, all of those kinds of things. So that's what this bag is, which you will see packed into the van as well. So we are making good progress.
But I think my favorite vacation of all time was the Magic Kingdom one. It was the, remember?
Yeah, it's hard for us to go to Florida and
Water
not think about
slide.
our Disney trips and all of that good stuff. So, yep.
You going to
My
Disney?
favorite part about Coconut Palms is the actual beachfront.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
because it's such a short walk.
Like, it's the sidewalk right where it is. You step 1 foot and there you are in the sand. And then you grab whatever, like, beach toys you want, you run, and then you jump in the ocean, and that's how close it is.
Right, and with the times that we've gone, we've usually had somebody under 2. As a matter of fact, the first time we went, I believe Gideon was like 6 months old.
Yeah.
So we always have little ones. It's super convenient to be able to just come back to the room, let whoever needs to take a nap, and then go back out when you're ready to go back
And the
out.
pool's really close, too, so, like, once you're done with the beach, you jump in the pool, like, to wash the sand off.
Here how it is.
Yeah.
It's like a
Because,
short
like,
walk
no
to
matter
the
what you
beach.
do in the beach, like, you get all sandy, because from, like,
Short
playing in the
walks
sand,
to
you
the
jump
beach.
in the...
Short
You
walk
jump
to
in the
beach.
water, and then when you come back, your feet are all sandy, so there's nothing you can really do about getting the sand off except jumping in the pool, but it's...
Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you part of how I pack, and I just got this laundry, and I'm going to work on packing some of my clothes, so I'll show you that. Okay, I have this pile of clothes and then this suitcase, so I'm going to be just looking through here and seeing what I need to pack and then folding the rest. Okay, I got all my laundry folded up, and now I'm going to start finding some outfits. Okay, I got my outfits finished, and now I'm going to work on pajamas. Okay, I got my pajamas, and I decided to use one of those plastic bag things because I was running out of space, and it works really well, so I'm glad about that. Here are the shoes I'm bringing. I'm not packing these ones because I'm wearing them on the way down to Florida, but I am bringing these tie-dye Crocs and water shoes because I hate stepping on stuff in the ocean because you could step on a crab or something and wouldn't know because it's you just like can't see the sand and stuff. So I'm wearing water shoes. I'm looking through this drawer to see what of this stuff I need to bring. Okay, I just got some headbands and sunglasses and scrunchies here for the car ride down. I had to write don't eat till Sunday on them because I might have took 2 of them and then I realized that that's probably not the best idea. So I just got that stuff so far. Probably need a hairbrush, I forgot about that. Okay, here are a few of the things I'm going to be putting in my backpack. I'm bringing an electric pencil sharpener for when we get there because I like to do a lot of art stuff, but electric pencil sharpeners are just a lot easier. I've got some sketch pads, this Rubik's Cube, a little tiny stress ball, battery charger, fans because I get really hot, chips. Oh, that's my stamp book, but I'm not bringing that. Markers, our Batman Fortnite comic book thing. I'm bringing that because I like it. Oh, and I'm also bringing my beach mat. So I'm not bringing any of these electronics till the day we're leaving because I will probably be using these things and it's just easier to pack it the same day. And of course I won't bring like a pillow or anything because I'll use that stuff.
Update you on the baby stuff. That we are 16 weeks now, so that is exciting. We went to the doctor last week, could hear the heartbeat. Everything seems to be right on track. My blood pressure is good. The baby's heart rate was good. Everything is as expected. The really good part is I'm past all that icky feeling of the nausea and that kind of thing. That has passed, so this is kind of the sweet spot because you don't feel bad anymore, or I don't feel bad anymore, and I'm not to that part where the baby is so big I feel like I can barely move. So this is the fun time where I can feel the baby move, although no one else can yet, which is exciting and fun to know that that little life is growing and moving inside there. But I don't have the harder parts yet that I know come at the end. So we're at a really good place right now, and I will be sure to put a picture at the end so you can see the size of my tummy, which a lot of people would say looks bigger than 16 weeks, or they ask me if I'm sure there's only one. But yeah, number 6 will do that. It pops out faster. Your body's been there, done that, and recognizes what is happening and is very happy to just, you know, make room. So we have the swim stuff in the front pocket that will zip. And then we have everybody's, all the boys' clothes and shoes packed up here. It is getting late. Jack is ready for bed. He's saying me. Our swim stuff, our towels, and after I get Jack to bed, I am going to pack all of my stuff. So at least the boys are ready to go.
Yeah.
So now this begins phase 2 of our packing, which is the actual loading of the van. We have our big stuff out here right now. Jack is excited to be playing in the empty van. We have one seat out in the back. They're split into 2 sections, so I guess technically 2 seats are out. That's where the majority of our stuff will go. So we're gonna get started.
Okay, so Daddy got the whole van loaded up. Got the kites, every single thing, towels, everything you see in Mama's vlogs that we were doing of packing.
Yeah, we have all the suitcases in there. We've got the wagon, the sand toys, the double stroller, the towels, everybody's backpacks are in there.
You see a whole bag of Pringles in your bag.
Yep. So it's dark, but we got it done, right?
Yep, catch you on the flip side. Official weights!
Good job, buddy. It is about 6:30 when I got my day started today. We are heading out on vacation this morning. We are trying to be kind of in the van, headed out at like 7. That's probably not going to happen. We're going to be running a little behind, but that's okay. We got the van completely packed last night. We went ahead and took care of paying our bills for the month because we do that once a month on the 1st. So we went ahead and took care of that. So that's always important to know where you stand money-wise before you go on vacation anyways. And the kids are all ready to go. So this morning we just have to grab our stuff for like our HBA bag, all our personal stuff. The kids got to get their toothbrushes and any of their like special blankets or stuffed animals or anything that the little ones want to take with them. And then we will be ready to go. Oh, guys, look at this.
Yes,
I wonder if they would be mad at us if we just drive over
Do you
there.
see it? Look how close we are to the ocean. I can see the ocean, baby. Nice.
That is nice.
Yes.
Look,
Yes,
we can
it's
go out
paradise.
through that, down, and boom, you're at the beach.
Yes, it's
That's
paradise.
awesome.
Yes, it's paradise.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama, I want to